Hello friends, and welcome back to The Couple Abroad. We are so excited you're here. Francisco and I are in Puerto Natales in Patagonia in Chile, and today we're going on a tour of Glacier Grey. So it starts out with this long beautiful car ride all the way up until we get into the sector near Glacier Grey. We are so happy you're here. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, like, and leave a comment.
Stephanie left the key inside of the room.
Are you kidding? That was not my job at all. This one's actually not on me.
But where are we going, Stephanie?
We're going to Glacier Grey. Glacier Grey.
Yeah.
We're going on a little boat, and it should be about 3 hours. And it's supposed to be really, really cool.
So, coffee outside of the US doesn't really have that much caffeine.
No.
Yeah, it doesn't hit.
Like 2 scoops, and I still don't feel the caffeine.
Yeah.
We're just addicts up there, I guess.
We made it. Barely. The roads were horrible.
Stephanie has a I want to cry face.
Yeah.
Do you want to
It
cry?
was a rough drive. I didn't like the drive.
But you got ramitas now.
But Juan and Titi left my sandwich in the room. Oh, I'm hungry.
Juan is dressing up for the pictures today.
Look, that's my boat right there, San Juan.
San Juan.
Te los estoy prestando, nomás un ratito.
Stephanie. I think it's that. It might not be.
Oh, it's over there. You see the boat over there?
Yeah. Oh, this is the beach. So usually you walk through here to the boat, but now the roads are flooded because the glaciers were melting.
Actually, on the.
Yeah, on that thing apparently. Okay, Stephanie, you explain it.
So, usually we would walk like that way, but the beach has flooded. So now we're going to take a little lancha to get to the big boat. Then it's about an hour, 25, hour and a half driving. No, not driving, boating. And then we'll get to the glacier, and then we'll come back.
So we just got out of we're getting out of the boat right now, the little boat that takes us to the big boat.
¿Por qué la estaba haciendo Michael? Como lo hacen los. ¿La estaba haciendo Michael? Los políticos.
About the glacier has 3 phases, 6 kilometers wide and 15 kilometers long as well as today. The glacier belongs to a big state of ice. Its name is Southern Ice. Everybody has to use the life jacket. This life jacket is mandatory to use them in the case of go outside, okay?
We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Oh, I won't let you down.
Okay, Stephanie, where are we at?
We are at Glacier Grey. and we are on this little boat tour. It's about a 3-hour boat tour. We're almost done. This is the third face. They show you 3 different faces of the glacier. First one is further away, second ones are closer. We learned today that the glacier actually used to be a few more kilometers that way, and it melts so much just every single day that it's getting smaller and smaller. And we also, the tour guide told us that so much of the ice has already fallen just from this morning. So just from when they went out on the first navigación. So
yeah, he also said that.
Sad.
Yeah, he also said that the iceberg does move naturally, just like it just moves like that. It doesn't necessarily melt, but it's melting really fast, and that's why the beach wasn't there anymore.
So, really dramatic news. Apparently, they were saying what is this called? Glacier was moving to Argentina, but they're lying.
Yeah,
they're
the
lying.
tour guide said that the Argentinians say that.
Yeah, they just say that. It's actually just like it's just natural thing to do.
It's just chilling.
Yeah, just chilling, you know.
Nothing to do with the World Cup.
No.
Say something.
Well, this beer tastes a lot better here. It just feels fun.
I agree.
So this was actually a super cute clip, but because of the wind and everything going on in this video, you couldn't hear what they were actually saying. But this is a Pisco sour, a typical Chilean drink. It's fruity, it's really nice and fresh, and the ice that's in there is glacier ice, which makes it super, super cool, which you can tell that they're happy with.
I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. Yeah. We could run away. We don't gotta stay. I can feel it. It burns inside me. Take away the pain. We can go insane. I can feel it. It burns inside me. We could run away. We don't gotta stay. I can feel it.
So what we doing?
We are at La Picada de Carlitos. We are getting a cordero al palo.
Looks like that.
It's pretty gruesome. We ordered that and a steak with called lomo a la pobre that has fried egg, fried onions, and all sorts of things. That's it.
On the other hand, I'm super excited. I want to like just take a bite of that thing in there. El cordero al palo. And yeah, I'm excited. A little bit tired because we had a long day. We downed a couple beers over at the what's this thing called? The Glacier. So it's quite travesty.
We destroyed it.
We destroyed the entire and one was right there.
Stephanie didn't do so well. but she tried her best.
Hey, we finished our cordero. We're on the move. On the move.
Un gato.